Hi, welcome to Parental Guidance, where we make videos of easy tech tips and tutorials for you to share with your family members. So this week, Grandma wanted to learn how to buy her groceries online and we thought it would be a great idea for a video. Ever since the COVID-19 pandemic hit, it has been increasingly important to reduce the amount of physical contact we have with others. And this includes everyday activities such as buying food and groceries. Plus, having to physically leave the house to buy groceries may be extremely tiring for your parents or grandparents, especially when they are buying in bulk to store enough supplies for the rest of the week. We did the work and compared a few different online grocers, but we decided that Redmart is still our personal favorite. So here's a simple step-by-step tutorial that you can share with your grandma too. So let's begin! Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Lazada app, you can head to your Play Store or App Store to download the app Lazada. Step 2. Click on the Lazada app. Step 3. Search for Redmart in the search bar at the top of the page. Step 4. Start choosing your groceries. Step 5. You will be prompted to log in or register now depending if you are a new or existing user, and fill in your details accordingly. Step 6. You can then continue shopping after you have logged into your account. Step 7. After you are done selecting your items, click on the shopping cart icon at the top right hand of the page. Step 8. Select all of the items in your cart that you want to purchase. Step 9. Click on Checkout. Step 10. Click on Add Shipping Address. Step 11. Key in your shipping address accordingly. Step 12. Click on Save. Step 13. Click on Select your preferred slot. Step 14. Select your preferred delivery option. Step 15. Select your preferred delivery time slot. Your order would need to hit a total of $60 and above in order to qualify for free delivery. If your order is below $60, and you need it to reach your doorstep within a certain time, you can opt for the scheduled delivery, which has a delivery fee of $5.99 and delivers your goods within a 2-hour slot. However, if you don't mind it reaching anytime from 8 AM to 8 PM, you can opt for the Saver delivery, which is only $3.99 and delivers your goods within a 6-hour slot. These two delivery options has helped us to receive the groceries during the most convenient timings for us. However, do note that there may be additional charges for popular time slots in order to cope with the high demand. Step 16. Select your preferred payment method. Step 17. Click on Place Order. And that's it. Your order will be on its way soon. That's it for this video. Hope you found our suggestions interesting, and thank you for watching. Click on subscribe for more weekly tips and forward this if you know someone who may need this video.